Hello everyone! Welcome to this educational video about language assessment. Today, we are exploring how to assess oral production in a fair and fun way. For this project, we will focus on a classroom debate about global issues. This is designed for 12th grade students at AB1 English level. Let's look at how to tackle a very common classroom challenge. As teachers, we know that assessing speaking can be overwhelming. One of the biggest problems we face is losing control of the class. It is impossible to listen to and grade 30 students all at the same time. That is why a classroom debate is a fantastic idea. It organizes the students and involves group participation. But wait, what happens with the rest of the class while a few students are debating? Let's look at a smart, two-way strategy to solve this. Instead of letting the rest of the class get bored or noisy, we turn them into the judges. First, the teacher assesses the debater's language using an analytical rubric. Second, the classmates in the audience serve as active judges using a simple peer feedback sheet. This keeps the whole room focused and learning. This is detailed in the study Understanding the Development of Language Assessment Literacy by Yastebuz and Yastebuz, 2015. Who stated that peer feedback enables students to experience an enjoyable classroom atmosphere in a student-centered class, while at the same time promoting their critical thinking skills. Let's look at this real classroom example to see how it works. Imagine a student stands up during the debate and says, "If we do not stop pollution, our oceans will die." As a teacher, you instantly look at your rubric. That is a great use of the first conditional, so you give them a high score for language accuracy. Meanwhile, what is the audience doing? While Team A and Team B are debating, the rest of the class is not just sitting there passively. They have a very important job. Using a simple scorecard, they vote on which team had the most convincing points. They also write down new vocabulary they hear their classmates use. This removes the pressure of team-on-team judging, but keeps everyone actively participating. When the debate is over, it is time for feedback. First, the teacher gives quick oral feedback to the whole class about common pronunciation trends or grammar tips. Later, the debaters get their rubric sheets back. Along with the teacher's grade, they receive a nice summary of all the positive votes and notes from their classmates in the audience. As you can see, changing your classroom audience into active judges solves the problem of class control and creates a supportive, real-world environment for high-level speaking. This video was created following the English curriculum guidelines provided by the Ministry of Education. Thank you so much for watching.